Hello, welcome to my channel. Today in my video, I'll show you the basics in knitting. Let's go to the video. Here I have taken the yarn. Can take this end of the yarn for knitting, or try to find the other end, but it might be a little tricky. But this is easy to handle while knitting than the other end, because the ball moves here and there while using the other end. And these are the needles used for knitting. I'm starting with casting on. Take the yarn considering the number of stitches you're going to cast on. I'm just taking a small tail since I'm going to cast on about 24 stitches. Take one needle and hold the yarn with the needle. Hold the yarn like this by the left hand. Insert the needle through the yarn on thumb and grab the yarn on index finger through the loop. Leave the yarn on thumb and pull to tie the stitch. I'm doing it once again. Continue casting on in the same way, counting the stitches. Take the needle with stitches to the left hand. Hold the yarn with right hand by wrapping on a finger. Take the needle and hold it over the yarn. Insert the needle through the first stitch. Wrap the yarn and pull it through the loop. Grab the yarn off the needle. Again, insert the needle from upside towards down. Wrap the yarn. Pull it through the loop and pull off the yarn from the needle. The yarn should be under the needle while making the knit stitch. Get the work to left hand. This is how we insert the needle while we knit. For purl, it is right opposite. Insert the needle from down towards up. Wrap the yarn, pull it through the stitch and pull off the yarn from the needle. Again, insert the needle from below towards up, wrap the yarn and pull it through the loop and grab the yarn off the needle. The yarn should be over the needle while making the purl stitch. Knit stitch for third row. And purl for fourth row. It goes like so. After completing few rows, this is knit stitch and this is purl stitch. Three purls, bring the yarn below the needle, 3 knits, bring the yarn up, 3 purls, and again 3 knits, Subscribe to Loop on Hook for more videos. Again 3 pearls and so on. A loop will be visible in purl stitch, but not in knit stitch. Completing few rows. These are knits. These are pearls. These are knits and these are pearls. Two pearls, lift the first loop, bring it over the second loop and drop it off the needle. Gain one pearl, lift the first loop and drop it off the needle. Now I have to knit here one knit, again the same, lift the first loop and drop it. Here, while two stitches left on the needle, pull the first one off the needle and one will be left on the needle. The same thing goes again and again. Cut off the yarn and pull it through the loop. Please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. See you in my next video.